Shit. No. Oh, I love the smell of dead dinosaurs. I did $3. That might be a little bit too much. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. I got a, oh my god, that's what I got, truck mulch in my book bag. It's the worst thing that could ever come out of the car community, I swear. So funny, that's hilarious, dude, because I'm actually on the way right now to the mail place to drop off some truck mulch. If you don't know what truck mulch is, you obviously don't know who Whistling Diesel is. So long story short, Whistling Diesel is a truck guy. He's famous, known for destroying trucks, and he's got some pretty, people hate on him a lot. I mean, I understand. I mean, he's destroying trucks, but he's destroying trucks for us. I mean, he's making content, making money off of it for us. I mean, so I mean, honestly, it's a good idea. I mean, if you got the money, I mean, go ahead, fucking do it. Got a squatted truck, and it was so bad. It was so ragged out. It was terrible. And when he got the squatted truck, he's being nice to it, and it's really weird and bizarre to like see him like being really nice to a truck, and then he's just gonna go ahead and destroy it. But anyways, for about 2 episodes, he was being delicate and nice with this squatted truck, and I mean, you knew he didn't like it. I mean, he obviously didn't like the truck. But anyway, so he finally snaps and just beats the living hell out of this truck, rips it out, rips it apart with his bare hands, and then mulches the truck like with the mulcher. So what he did with that, with the spare pieces of the mulcher, he put them in container, like jars, and sold them for like $69 a piece, and he sold 1,000 of them. That's $69,000. This guy's a, like, I got a notification as soon as the video came out, and I was like, dude, I just got paid, fuck it, I'm buying it. And the reason he's doing that is so he can buy another nicer squatted truck and destroying them and getting them off the streets. I think it's hilarious. I bought the squatted truck mulch, and I'm selling it. I sold it on eBay. It was on a listing. Yeah, I sold mine for about $100, so about a $40 profit. I didn't really make much off of it because I still got to go get the papers printed and the shipping fees. So I'm not going to make much off of it, but hell, I wanted to help the guy out. I thought it would be pretty damn dope. So many people bought this truck mulch, and it pissed so many people off, and I think it's hilarious. So it's just hilarious. But wow, man, I had a crazy ass dream last night. Yeah, I was gonna tell me to keep going straight. Fuck. We were protecting this gas station for some reason. I can't remember. I think that like we went back in time and we were saving this guy from dying or something like that. I can't really remember. But I went back in time and we were protecting this gas station, and we was like, dude, we're fucking hungry, and we ordered pizza. Well, the dude that ordered pizza, he opened the pizza and threw it inside my truck. I was so fucking pissed that he threw it in my truck. I opened the door and he started running, and you know you can't run fucking fast in your dreams. You can't catch anybody in your dreams. That pisses me off. Anyway, so I try to go fast, like chasing after this guy. That I'm so pissed off. I wake up out of my dream, and I tried so hard to go back to sleep to beat the hell out of this guy. I don't know why, but I was so mad. Oh my god, it was. I haven't been that mad. I'm getting chills thinking about it. You guys can see I got goosebumps. Oh my! I tried to go back to sleep to beat a An imagination. I try to go back to sleep to beat the hell out of an imagination that I came up with. If that doesn't tell you that, oh my god, dude, I don't know what the fuck that says about me. I just got some fucking issues, man. But yeah, man, we're back on Magnum. We're gonna go drop off this truck mulch for this dude. And also, I want to go to Walmart real quick to pick up a power bank for this GoPro. I'm shooting in 4K, and the 4K just drains GoPro battery. I mean, it doesn't matter what big voltage GoPro battery you got, it's gonna drain the hell out of it. I've been watching a lot of moto setup vlogs, and I've been watching a lot of people's setups, and some people got multiple GoPro batteries and chargers with them at the time, but I just don't want to pull over on the side of the road, switch a battery out, and it just be one thing. So I've seen Walterific. He's got a portable charging bank on the back of his helmet, and he's also got a solar panel on the top of it. I don't know if that has to do with anything, but he's got one. Yeah, I'm gonna try to like Velcro a power bank on the helmet. I know it's gonna probably look goofy, but I don't want to do a helmet setup video. I know some people have been wondering how I've been doing that. I got a couple comment or questions about how I was doing it, so I could do a whole setup video. A whole setup video on what I was doing with that. So I'm just going to test it out. If I don't like it, then I'll just get the GoPro batteries. I mean, you can get 3 GoPro batteries and a charger for like 40 bucks. So I'm not too pressed about it if it doesn't work out. Why do cops always find a way to get into my videos? Man, 3 cops for 1 car? Okay. Ow, fuck. That hurt. Fat ass bug just hit me in the shoulder, dude. You probably could hear it. Ooh, is that tooted? Sorta. Kinda not really, sorta. Sounded kinda. What the fuck did I just say? Kinda. Kinda really, sorta, not really. Squatted truck. But I left this message in this package. I was like, follow me on YouTube, and it's like a handwritten like little card, and it's just terrible. Oh my god, dude, look, we got a motorcycle in front of him. So you think he's gonna say anything? I want to put my visor down. Let's see what he's gonna do. He's probably just gonna ignore me like I'm not even there. Yeah, head nod. Okay, all right. Like a little hand. Follow me on YouTube. It's probably gonna be like, what the fuck is this? Throw it away. It's gonna be so fucking cringy. All right, I'll give you $5 if you don't pull out in front of me. $5. Oh my god, I was lying. I had my toes crossed, bitch. You know, I'm gonna get front row parking. I got rockstar parking. Fuck y'all. Visor. Aha. Come here. Alright. So, I've never shipped anything out in my life. I'm gonna have to go get the label printed. I thought they could print it off there, but they gave me another address to where I could go. First try. I'm the damn man. You guys are probably wondering, which you probably aren't, I'm just self-conscious about it. Why the fuck is he always wearing damn holy jeans if these aren't the same ones from last video? So I don't feel comfortable wearing shorts. 1, 2, shorts gets really cold. 3, pants are too damn hot. 4, if I fall off this bike, I'll have a little bit of protection, not much. I don't really know what to wear as far as moped protection goes. I don't really know what to wear. So I'm just kind of just going by it by ear. I'm not really worried about what I'm wearing. I mean, I was thinking about getting gloves and stuff. There was one of the pawn shops I was talking about last video. Dude, those are one of the ugliest trucks, man. Here I am debating about every fucking truck that goes by now. No, but those are one of the ugliest trucks I've ever seen in my life. Looks like it's just a big ass bubble truck. That's the bubble truck. Alright, she said it was 129. 121. What the fuck is 129? 115, 117. I'm going backwards. Ah, it's on the other side. I got it. That was probably the sweetest lady I have ever met in my entire life. I swear. Dude, she helped me out with everything. That was amazing. So apparently, the place that I went to, it was somebody lived there, and I was asking a lady, I was like, so do you know where this postal place is? And yeah, USPS.
Can you drop off this.
Absolutely, absolutely.
It's very important.
Yes.
They have to start shipping today.
Okay.
If I leave here, they're gonna.
It's gonna be tomorrow.
Yeah, please.
I will do it for you.
Together, you know, put this together. And
Ship it together. Okay. Yes, absolutely. No problem.
The person, you know, they're waiting for their passport,
Mhm.
and they have to have today.
Okay. Yes, I'll do it for you. See what I'm saying, bro? She is super fucking nice. Anyway, so the place that I went to was apparently some place like somebody lived, and there's like a lady like bringing lunch to like another place below it, because it was upstairs, and apparently somebody lived there. And she's like, yeah, good thing they're not home because they probably shot you. I was like, well, I don't want that. I'm actually an easygoing guy, so if you don't shoot me, that would be fucking amazing. But yeah, dude, we definitely need to come together as people and quit being so rude to people. Like when I got into the USPS place, like the postal service place, like there's this guy that just didn't want to fucking help me out because I didn't know what I was doing. I've never done this before. And that lady literally explained everything. It took her probably 2 minutes tops to explain everything, and she was super nice about it. She's got her own company. Like, why can't we just come together as people and just be fucking nice to one another? Wow. That definitely made my day. And also, I didn't have any change. I had no money on me. Like, I asked her if she took card. She said she didn't take card. I mean, it was only $1.50. So I checked my wallet, and I had like $1.25. Like, at first, like, I was like, I don't have any change or cash on. She said, it's okay, you can come back. I mean, it's not really, I'm not that worried about it. I was like, dude, what the fuck? Like, this girl, fucking awesome. So I checked my wallet and I had like 125. She's like, that's fine, don't worry about it. I was like, bro, what the fuck? Yes. First try, dude. I'm a fucking G. I'm telling you guys, y'all don't understand, dude. If you're watching my video, it's shit, man. Need to head to Walmart. Fucking Mustang. Oh, gay V6. My stereo. I'm dyslexic. I can't read that shit. Yo, is that somebody's weave? Damn, girl. Snatch your weave right out your fucking head, girl. Damn. Damn, dude. That was a poppy one. Jesus Christ. So my GoPro died on the way to Walmart yesterday, so I had to go get another one. I'm gonna wrap up the video. It's starting to get a little bit long, but before you guys leave, I want to know, do you guys like longer videos or do you like shorter videos? Let me know down in the comments below. But other than that, guys, it's been the Beast of Money, and I'll see y'all you bozos in the next one. Peace.